Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable FreeSync on your KOORUI 24E4. To enable FreeSync, simply click on M button to go to menu, then go to Game. So click on the right arrow 2 times, then click on E to enter the menu. Now go to FreeSync with the right arrow twice and click on E to enter it. Now you can go to the left or right to turn it on or off. Remember to click on E to approve it. Then hold on a second, it will apply. And now it is applied. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.